Hey, what's up KK squad? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. I didn't get a chance to make an introduction for this video last night, the night before my birthday. I hope you all enjoy this little birthday vlog. Today's my birthday. It's just a pretty chill day for me, nothing too crazy, you know, just a chill birthday. Like when I make an introduction, I'm so awkward, like I don't know what to say, but I hope you guys enjoy.
What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful, though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Cheers to more work tomorrow. Cheers to working hard. And cheers to one day to blow it off.
It's finally here.
Richard, I'm like, nah, bro.
It's dark, but the way all the food nice. Wax it off already. Wax it off already. Damn, it's bright outside. Alright, so we're here at Miami Beach and it's kind of dark. Yo, me a wobble. Yeah.
Oh my god, I didn't try that.
Only in South Beach. Well, I'm difficult to deal with, so you don't want me to deal with.
Turn around and look for it. It's still
Miami nightlife, mega video. Man, look a girl out. So unturned, so.
It's one hand turn this way. They want a Jamaican girl. What's that, the YouTube spin?
Zoom in.
We'll check out something else.
Yeah.
Them by far, better than them by near. In a piece, you know. Walk by, in a car. Chief of staff, your visa. You bring me in floaty, with the big belly 40. My gun carry top up, my gas on the protein. So you're dead when it's so big. When you live down on town, with me gun in on the short cheese. You're the country of land.
Yeah, but you could have at least tell me what we were gonna do. Guess this was a surprise. He didn't tell me. And I'm kind of nervous. I can't even say it out loud, but I'm kind of nervous. He didn't tell me. This is what we're gonna do. Flying to see the sunrise. Like, gosh. It's beautiful. It's my birthday, so why not?
crazy man, Scott. Far from rich.
Yo, no, seriously, me never expect to have one of these until like probably 2020 or something. Go Pro. Is there a manual in here? Thank you so much, my love. Wait, but probably can't. This is nice. Palm tree though.
My boys got pulled up in the uniform.
Right?
Like, I'm just done flying, I'm going to work. You seen Love Fly, Tina? Love Fly, man.
Thank you so much.
Man, the GoPro's not even lit, man. That flying. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anarchy. Happy birthday.
Wait, what I say?
What is it?
Cute. Happy birthday to me.
I want you to cut it. It's a real surprise.
Why you rush me? Oh, the real surprise in when we cut it? Alright.
Show a picture.
No picture either. He does. He work 12 hours video. So I take you in the beach. I'm about to get a drink. Nice day out today. Usually rainfall on my birthday, surprisingly it not fall today. But let's see. I had to change my clothes real quick.
OJ.
Florida, hot.
Them say my call you.
I sweat.
Rum, brother. She say, oh, you not text her until their birthday.
I'm not a service. Alright. So we're at the movie theater. We're about to watch Spider-Man.
We don't catch these guys in the next 3 or 4 hours. They vanish.
They'll have to open Manhattan by morning. Policeman is one thing, but the stock market losing billions of dollars is quite another.
I feel like it's gonna be all over the place. As you can see, I am drained. I am so tired. Like you can see it in my face, like I'm really tired. It's not even dark out as yet, and I'm done for the day. It's still my birthday. I am done. So my boyfriend left to go to class. He has class. My eyes are burning. I'm so tired. We woke up at 5 this morning for the airplane ride, and we've been like in and out and everywhere. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. This year we didn't do anything too crazy. I really enjoyed my birthday. It's more than enough. Thanks to everyone who wished me a happy birthday. Lovely day. It has been a beautiful day outside. We came home, we drank. Last night we drank. So all of that, everything is just adding up. Like I am exhausted. Drinking from last night to today is just like, yeah, done. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next upload. Dark.
Because the thing need to be open.
We need to find our light.
You want the room?
Okay. No stop me now. Open the window at night, no.
Turn off the light.
So every room have a bathroom. Okay. Yeah, most of them have washer and dryer. Right? Thank you so much for my gift.
Telling you that I left.
Fancy! Stone ginger wine right over there.
No, wine.
Wine.
White. Girl, all in my meds and I'm a god, just wanna steam you one day.
Happy birthday to trying to get swole off them shit stuff. Go far just in there.
You reach inside already.
About to get taken away. Oh, no one, hang on.
Ready?
Hold on. Epic failure.
Oh shit, me nearly tripped. Right?
I'm mad at you guys into the karaoke.
Where?
I thought you were gonna come on like that.
What's that word? Appropriate. Bang bang boom. Hot tool. Hot tool. Hot tool.
Let's see who gets first.
Alright.
After one, go. Let's just bless the moon side ahead of me. You know, so the moon side protect me right here. You know. That was quick. Bless the food for everybody.
Yeah, for everybody though.
Bless the shine. We're gonna bless. I'm gonna bless it in quiet.
Happy birthday to you. Hey, happy birthday to you. Hey, happy birthday, Krissy. Happy birthday to you.